Hi, it's Fiestaro. So this is mid-October Libra, mid-October general and the current person reading. So madali lang, papasadahan lang natin kung ano bang meron. Okay, so again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me. Ganun rin po sa ating mga charms. Okay, so meron tayong cord cut, 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Meron din tayong mga evil eye protections and for cleansing. Okay, yes, meron din tayo. Granter necklace, meron din. Okay, so si Granter siya yung tagapag-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest. Okay, so let's see. Let's start. So, Libra placements. Who is this? Oh, why who is this? I'm sorry. Parang akong nagugulo. Oh my gosh. Anyway. So, what's for you this mid-October? What's for our Libra placements this mid-October? Anong kailangan yung malaman? Libra. The Hierophant in reversed. 9 of Cups in reversed. Okay. So, meron ditong parang nag-failed. Okay? In general, may nag-failed. Pero hindi sinasabing dapat ay nandun na lang. Nandun ka na lang. Okay? So, it's like, daanan mo lang, gawan mo ulit ng something na bago. Okay? Or sabihin natin, kung hindi para sa'yo to, may bago, or mas mahigit pa, or mas maganda pa, na pwedeng dumating sa'yo. May nag-fail dito. Okay? Some of you, this could be a connection, a marriage. Yeah, the Empress. Pwedeng ang nakikita ko dito ngayon, pwedeng single mother, single father, and okay, pero may mas okay, may mas maganda akong nakikita pa. Kesa nandun ka sa nasayang na sinasabi mo. Oo. So what else? Libra. Some of you, I'm hearing next pregnancy, or second pregnancy, third pregnancy. Okay? Be careful having sex with someone na pwedeng, alam nyong hindi naman magiging responsible. Okay? Whether babae, lalaki. Kung ano man ang gender. Ganyang bagay. Anyway, what else? The 9 of Pentacles. Money. Your status. About your status. Or your physical looks. What's with that 9 of Pentacles? The Queen of Wands. Oh, there's this inggit. Oo, may inggit dito na pwedeng sabihin nating i-evil eye ka. Better na iyong proteksyonan yung sarili mo from them. Okay? See? The 3 of Swords. Andito yung inggit ng tao. Galit. Okay? Hindi ka nila magawa ng kung ano, doon lang gagawa ng paraan. Like, evil eyeing. Some of them, talagang andun na yung energy na parang meron ng gumagawa ng mga ritual. Okay? Who is this Queen of Wands in reversed? The 8 of Pentacles. Gusto nito, hindi siya ang tawag dyan? Gusto niya kasi parang walang makakatalo. Okay, walang makakatalo sa kanya. Yes. Some of you, this could be energy sa workplace. Who else? What else? Page of Pentacles. And the 9 of Swords in reversed. What's with that Nine of Swords? Alam nyo, Libras, no, in general, mid-October, may chance ng magandang, sabihin nating panimula. Okay? Maalis ang stress mo, maalis ang mga pangamba mo. Okay? May something na mag-start dito. In general. See? Six of Wands. Wheel of Fortune. Yeah. Claim nyo. That's a nice energy. May something po na sabihin nating magsisimula na magbibigay sa'yo ng peace of mind. Okay? Peace of mind. So, there. Kaya pala, may mga maiinggit, may mga magagalit. Kasi andun yung energy ng Six of Wands, which is victory and success. Okay? You have to protect your own energies. So, the current person, let's see. So, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, Libras. Okay, again, the current person in your mind with this, the Eight of Wands. Some of you, kausap mo siya. A roller coaster ride. Okay. The Ace of Wands in reverse. No label. Sex base. Okay, so anong kailangan mong malaman? Yeah, communication is open. So, anong kailangan mong malaman? Oh, the Ace of Swords. That's nice. The Five of Pentacles. Oh, may mangyayari ditong sabihin nating may mga masasagot. Okay? May mga mabibigay. Linaw. Kung ano man yung hinihingi dito sa connection na to, kasi there's this something na parang napepending. Okay? This mid-October, may chance po na maging okay na, maging malinaw kung ano man. Okay? This is good. Answers. Some of you, this could be closure for some of you. If you're waiting for somebody na kung ikaw yung naghihintay ng message nga dito from this person, could be a fire sign. Okay? Aries, Leo, Sag. Meron ako nakikita ditong pagkakaayos. This mid-October. Okay? So, who else? Who else for Libra placements? Libra. Libra. The Three of Cups. Could be a friend. Pwedeng nasa small circle lang kayo nito. The Page of Swords. Oh, there's this person. Pwedeng a friend na may something ka na parang tawag dyan. There's this big elephant in the room. Parang ganyan. May obvious. Okay? Pwedeng ikaw ito na parang naku-curious. So, anong meron? Anong meron? Ito po I'm channeling some of you. Pwedeng ito ay meron kayong kakilalang mutual. O meron kayong mutual friends. Pwedeng doon nagkaroon kayo ng connection. Ayun yung doon kayo nagsimula, mga ganyang bagay. So, anong kailangan mong malaman? Five of Swords in reversed. And the Chariot. The Star in reverse. Strength in reversed. Being open. Okay? I'm hearing somebody pwedeng magiging open, hindi bibigyan ng kung ano-ano man na pag-iisip. Okay? Hindi bibigyan ng kung ano man confusion or maybe tawag dyan, mixed signals, mga ganyan na nakakainis, di po ba? Pwedeng itong taong to, pwedeng kung sino man sa inyo may gagawa po ng action para mabigyan po ng kalinawan ang sitwasyon. Cancerian is here. Air. water. Yeah, ito yung issue, the 8 of Swords, the confusion. So, yeah, we have here the Sun. Some of you makakuha ng magandang balita pagdating sa connection nyo na to. Okay? Iba sa inyo, pwedeng itong taong to na nakita natin is makikipagbalikan. Yeah. Kung magandang balita yun sa'yo, then good. Pero if not, then gagawa ka ng decision. Kung makikipag-ayos ka pa ba or hindi na. So, who else, Libra? The person you're thinking of, let's see. The 9 of Cups. You're their wish fulfillment. The Sun in reverse. Oh. Could be a Leo. They're hiding their true emotions. They're in love. Oh, they're in love. They're in love. Hindi lang niya may pakita. They need you. Mababa ang energy niya every time na hindi kayo nagkikita or nagkakausap. So, let's see. Ano ba ang meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman? You have the 5 of Swords and the 8 of Pentacles. The Hermit. The 10 of Swords. Okay. So, ang nakuha ko dito, Libra, no? Andyan yung confusion. Andyan yung mga kung ano-ano na mga pinag-iisip. Like, ang tawag dyan? Mga tamang hinala. Okay? Fake scenarios. I'm hearing fake scenarios. So, ang kailangan mong malaman is, pwedeng itong taong to, kung sino man to na parang palihim, gagawa ng way. Gagawa ng way, maging consistent to. Yeah. Kasi parang ayaw nito na, andun yung challenge, I think. Andun yung challenge. POV niya, point of view ng person na to is you're like a challenge for them. So, it's like, yes, sabi nating, mas nagkakaroon sila ng interest. Okay? Mas lalong lumalalim yung interest ng tao pagdating sa'yo. The Knight of Wands, yeah. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng mas bata sa'yo yung person. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs, Aries through Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, Libra, Aries through Pisces. Aries, they have options. They have options. Taurus, nawawala na ng gana si Taurus. Gemini, they need you. Cancer, they love you. Yeah. Leo, okay. Feeling a missed opportunity with you. Virgo, unfinished business. Libra, they are sad. They are sad. Some of you, they're longing for you. Scorpio, gulong-gulong utak ni Scorpio. Andun yung sabihin nating yes and love ka niya. Okay? Kaya dumarating sa punto na nag-overthink yung person. Feeling stuck. Mga ganyan. So, Sagittarius, they want to message you. Pero hindi nila alam kung paano. Or maybe there's that blockages. Capricorn, still holding on, still stuck. May chance ng pagbabalik if ever. So, Aquarius, they miss you. Pisces, gusto nila ng pagkakaayos sa inyong dalawa. Okay, so let's see. Doon naman tayo sa ating charm reading. So, sa charm reading, kayo na pong bahala kung paano nyo i-connect ang sarili ninyo sa ating mga mabubunot. Okay? So, let's see. Pwedeng pagpapatibay ito sa reading. Kung naka-resonate kayo, gawin nyo tong sabihin nating way kung talaga ba na para sa'yo dahil naka-resonate ka. Pero kung wala naman, hindi ka naka-resonate dito, wala kang naka-connect dito, okay lang din naman, basta naka-resonate ka. So, Libra, 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 last, okay. So, here. Unahin natin yung mga, so we have here a flower, shell, heart with color green, a feather, star again, so shell, a butterfly, flower, another flower. Uy, dalawang red flowers. Okay, so a leaf and crescent moon. So ito yung ating meron pa pala white rabbit. Okay, and the fish tail or the mermaid's tail. So ito yung mga initial. Meron tayong letter K, another K. So dalawa yung K natin. So letter K could be significant. And a letter B. Okay. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Libra placements. Again, please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.